Welcome to Agave Farms. Maybe you've driven by, maybe you've seen us, but do you know all that we have to offer? From our wine vineyard to our orchard to our goofy chickens, Agave Farms is a true place of wonder. Did you know that every dollar made in our nursery allows us to offer things such as free yoga classes, free gardening workshops? Everything that we grow here and produce is placed back into our community. We donate to nonprofit organizations such as Project Roots, as well as homeless shelters such as UMOM. I harvested these guys this morning, and so this is a perfect example of all of the fruit that's going to be donated. These are also Meyer lemons, which are, of course, my favorite. Agave Farms is the perfect place to just enjoy your lunch, to get away, to walk around, to smell the roses. So stop by and take a look at everything we have to offer in El Corazón de Phoenix. We are located at 4300 North Central Avenue. See you there.